Welcome back to Spy Garage.
Anticipation for a possible 2026 Nissan Motorhome prompts reflection on the company's well-established design philosophy, its technological innovations, and the changing needs of the recreational vehicle sector. Even if Nissan is not as well known in the North American RV market as certain domestic producers, a 2026 model analysis must take advantage of Nissan's global advantages and anticipate how they might be applied to the motorhome market. One should expect a design philosophy that prioritizes both functionality and a modern aesthetic if Nissan decides to make a larger foray into the motorhome industry by 2026. Based on their current portfolio of automobiles, a 2026 Nissan RV may have a sleek design with aerodynamic features to improve fuel economy. The incorporation of Nissan's iconic design elements, such as the V-motion grille and eye-catching lighting characteristics, may give the car a contemporary and identifiable look. Inside, a 2026 Nissan Motorhome would probably place a high value on user-centric design and efficient use of available space. The interior could have movable living spaces that maximize comfort and usefulness for long trips by utilizing the concepts of modularity and adaptability. As one might anticipate, premium, long-lasting materials are used, demonstrating a harmony between toughness and a sophisticated atmosphere. In terms of technology, a 2026 Nissan Motorhome would probably incorporate the company's developments in driver assistance and connection. This might include a modern navigation system designed for leisure travel, a sophisticated multimedia system with seamless smartphone connectivity, and a number of safety features including automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, and intelligent cruise control. Additionally, in keeping with Nissan's larger electrification goal, a future Nissan Motorhome may investigate hybrid or even fully electric powertrains given the growing emphasis on sustainability. Another important factor to take into account is the chassis that a 2026 Nissan Motorhome would be constructed on. Nissan might employ pre-existing commercial vehicle platforms or create a custom chassis designed for recreational use, depending on the size and class of the motorhome. This chassis would have to be able to support the extra weight and demands of a fully furnished living area, while yet offering a comfortable and stable ride. Regarding market placement, a 2026 Nissan Motorhome might try to attract customers looking for a fusion of contemporary style, technical innovation, and dependability. For people who are new to the motorhome lifestyle or who desire a smaller footprint, it might fill a niche that stresses mobility and comfort of driving. It's crucial to stress again, though, that without official announcements, the details of a 2026 Nissan Motorhome are still purely conjectural. This description serves as an informed estimate based on Nissan's existing capabilities and prevailing trends within the automotive and recreational vehicle industries. If Nissan were to release a motorhome by this year, it would surely offer a different viewpoint to the market, perhaps distinguished by its unique design language, technological integration, and dependability record.